Imagine, leading up to the premiere, kung gaano ka-hectic yung naging schedule ninyo. Dahil na siya na nagte-taping pa siguro, di ba? Humahabol dun sa mga na-miss na mga episodes. So, you said last night you had a good rest, finally. Gaano katagal?
Siguro mga more than 6 hours din.
Bongga rin
Tapos
sa'yo?
pinatulog ko rin yung kapatid ko, kaya ang sarap.
Ay, no.
Okay na siya kasi for the last almost 1 month, I've been sleeping for mga 3 hours each day average.
Trabaho talaga.
Kasi araw-araw kami yung shooting, yung gano'n. Pero mamaya na yung premiere night, lagi nga namin sinasabi na habang nag-shooting kami, sana matulog tayo, no? Tapos pagising natin, premiere night na. Ito na yun.
Dumating na nga, di ba?
Dumating na.
Pero it's worth it dahil mga kaibigan, importante yung mahal din yung trabaho. Dahil kahit 3 oras lamang ang tulog, sige pa rin. Di ba,
So,
Chad?
we had family reunion, and sinasabi nung, so, Evie was on ASAP, so my sisters were saying, oh my God, they're beautiful, and Greece is so beautiful, I'm gonna watch. Eh, ganun talaga, kasi parang, there's that anticipation also, kasi nga, both of you are so beautiful, and the scenery is so beautiful. So parang di ba boy, minsan gusto mo makanood naman ng maganda para makalimutan mo yung bigat ng problema.
Max, thank you.
So nakaka-excite
Chad,
talaga.
ikaw, nung unang gumiling ika nga yung mga cameras, ano yung iyong naramdaman for the first time?
Iba eh. Mixed emotions talaga. I was very excited na parang natupad na rin yung matagal na namin pangarap ni Casey at talagang pinagtrabahuan namin at we shared the same vision, the same dream. At nung finally nagagawa na namin yung project, ang sarap lang ng feeling na ito na, simula na ng paglakbay naming dalawa.
Chad, meron bang pagkakataon na parang surreal? Totoo ba ito? Uy, parang gano'n.
Oo, maraming beses. Parang ngayon.
Question also. Kasi ASAP, I was watching it, nakatutok ako, and ang ganda talaga with all those girls singing with you. Hindi mo na-feel kaganda
Yun.
ng mga taga dito, ha?
That moment talaga, parang surreal talaga sa akin lahat. I was really just like lost.
Did you know everybody? I'm curious about that.
I didn't know everybody, but I know some people there. And then,
But you knew that everyone was beautiful, di ba? Alam mo yung
Yes.
feeling na, sabi nga niya, surreal talaga
Eh, ikaw naman na lahat ng mga leading men ng ABS-CBN, hinarana ka din.
Oo nga po eh. Sobrang saya nga kasi si Chard halos araw-araw nang nasa ABS-CBN. Akala na ng tao lilipat siya. Hindi naman. Pinahiram lang siya ng GMA ng sandali.
Hindi, at saka ang nakita ko naman sa ASAP, dahil nahuli ko rin yun, naramdaman ninyo kung paano kayo pinahalagahan ng inyong mga kasamahan sa industriya. Because at some point
The
in our...
respect, di ba? Given to
Yes,
those
at some point in our lives, it's not about networks. You know what I'm saying? And that's good. And that's
It's
good.
about peers, colleagues, di ba? Na parang giving you the respect and giving you the admiration. Also, di ba ang sarap
That's
nun?
yeah, and parang this opportunity, I want to thank all the people who supported us, who endorsed our movie, all the big stars of ABS-CBN. I want to thank everyone who endorsed our movie.
They
Thank
didn't
you so
have to
much.
do it, but they did. Kaya thank you to everyone that
We are just
treated
one
us.
big family.
Oo,
Correct.
napakasarap magmahal ng kapamilya talaga.
Okay, sino kumanta dad mo? Kasi nanonood ako, I'm sure ang daming mga naluha talaga. As a parent, I really felt it so much. And I pay tribute to you because you not only pay tribute to Gabby, but also to Kiko. In that, di ba, yung I heard your spiel and all. Pero ano yung na-feel mo? Were you surprised? Was that a surprise or did you know about it?
It was a wonderful surprise. Ang
That
sabi lang
Natalie Cole, Nat King
Yeah,
Cole
oo nga
moment.
eh. Ang sabi lang nila sa akin, pag kumanta ka na ng solo mo, tumingin ka sa screen. Sabi ko, bakit
That's
ako
why I was wondering,
tatalikod?
tingin ka ng tingin, tapos...
Ano?
Sabi ko, bakit po ako tatalikod? Basta, hindi ko po talaga inisip. Kasi screen siya, never ko naman nagawa na mag-duet kasama ng isang tao sa TV. So from the start pa lang, sabi ko, bakit chandelier lang naman yung design doon? And then nung lumabas siya,
And then
narinig ko
it
yung
happened.
boses niya. Nung humarap ako sa audience, doon pa lumabas. So nagulat ako. Sobrang, wow, napaiyak talaga po ako doon. Parang he's so near yet so far.
Diba? Anyway, nag-uumpisa pa lamang.
Last boy, all the messages, it was your mamita.